It's okay, Jacob.
It hurt
Okay,
ya.
he's just trying to... That's Jacob!
Okay, Jacob, remember not to kick, okay? Because you'll hurt him.
Aw. Why did he just put his wing down?
Well, it's because it's to keep his balance. Because he's not really good with balance.
Gee. Baby bird. Bob. Maybe he can jump there. I don't think he wants to jump there.
Oh, he just pooped.
Ew.
We all do it, right?
I don't. Wait.
It's okay, Jacob.
It's okay, Jacob. Just don't scream. Good boy. Jacob. You're a good bird. Jacob, if you scream, it'll scare him. So don't scream.
He won't hurt you, Bubba.
He's scared.
He won't hurt you. It's okay.
He likes you.
I was laughing.
You're his friend.
He likes you.
And he got on my pants.
Yes. He wants to sit on your pants.
He wants to sit to be warm.
You want to see something? Watch this. Bob?
Bob, how you doing, buddy?
You want him to stand on your hand?
Yeah, can I?
Okay. Well, no, Jacob. John? Almost. Almost. There you go.
Will he hop off?
Well, depends if he likes where he's at or not. Looks like he's pretty comfortable.
He's a bird. He's gonna hop on the ground.
Watch this. Watch this. Oh!
He got on my pants again. Yes, he did. Hey, he can flap his wings up and down.